Hello, welcome guys to my channel. Today I have brought another Hitapp solution of the UHRS. Let's go to the screenshots I have taken during the test. So I already recorded the solution of this about Hitapp. So let's go to spot the product details. Right. Okay. So let's go to the first screenshot. This one. If the query is display postage stamp sheets. So I was actually wrong in this. So spec attribute sheets. So write this sheets in the spec attribute here. You'll get it right. Okay. You can also write product class. This posted stamp is the product class. Okay. So do this as given in this. I was wrong in this. So do not follow me. Okay. So do this. Let's go next. So query is a Raspberry Pi desktop. So there's no is a brand name, and so it's not a model name, so there's no any applicable term. So I have kept all this blank. Okay, so keep it all the blank, all this the blank if you query is Raspberry Pi desktop. Okay, so next go to the next slide. So this one is affordable senior adjustable beds sale. So here beds is a uh this one beds is a product class. So okay, so you can also write senior adjustable, but I just written beds because it's okay if you enter on a single term in these boxes. Okay, so beds. Next is the 15 into 37 into 12 ball bearings. So ball bearings is a product class. Okay, so click on this and ball bearing here. Product class is a ball bearing. So enter ball bearings in the class. Next is a Black Princess dress. So dress is a class, product class. So I put the dress in the product class. You can also Black Princess here is a spec attribute. You can write here or not. It will be okay. Okay. Go to the next. The barn shares windows. Windows is a product class, and barn shares is a spec attribute. So user is searching for Windows for the barn shares. Okay. So write or enter Windows in the product class. Next, it's mincemeat brands. Okay, so product class is a mincemeat